What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to Izmir, Turkey. We just arrived here a few days ago and we are ready to go and explore this beautiful coastal city, so let's go.
Today we are starting our day off here in the Alsancak neighborhood, which seems to be a very lively neighborhood. So you have loads and loads of cafes, restaurants, kind of bars where you can get little snacks and all of that. A lot of shopping here in the area as well. And what I find really stunning here is that you have a lot of old houses where you can see what this neighborhood looked like. Sorry, there was a scooter going by. You can see what this neighborhood might have looked like maybe like 100 years ago or so.
Izmir is an absolutely massive place, so we're definitely going to be splitting these videos up over multiple days. As of today though, we're going to be exploring very specific areas that we picked out through wikivoyage.com.
Not sponsored.
And we're going to go and check them out and show you guys all along the way. We couldn't be more excited though to be here in Izmir today. It's a beautiful sunny day and it's summertime, baby. We're ready. Let's go and explore. How cool is this? There's even a tram that goes incredibly slowly, from what it seems, all along the walkways along the water. I'd say there's incredible views on this tram actually, but yeah, it seems to move pretty slow.
It's very interesting because it looks like a tram, like it's designed as a tram, but it doesn't have any tracks. So it does roll on normal tires, but it is designed as a tram, which is really lovely. I think it looks so beautiful. So right now we are on our way from the Alsancak neighborhood to the main square, which I believe is called the Konak. And in order to get there, you have to walk over this entire expansive promenade, which is absolutely stunning. It's a beautiful day today, so we don't mind walking a little bit. And it seems like this promenade area, which I believe is called the Cordon or Cordon, has a lot of kind of cycling ways and areas for people to go for a run, maybe if it's not the middle of the day like right now. Check this out, it looks beautiful. I just love the view from the pier here because you can see loads and loads of boats, such as container ships or local passenger ferries, which a lot of the locals are actually taking to get in between neighborhoods and save themselves from what we are doing right now, which is walking in the midday sun for an extensive amount of time.
Izmir is Turkey's third largest city with a population of roughly around 3.8 million people. So that gives you a little bit of an idea of just the scale of Izmir. It's also the second largest port in Turkey, just after Istanbul, and it's a very solid transportation hub for Turkish people. Izmir, or as it once was known as the ancient city of Smyrna, which was actually founded by the Trojans, believe it or not. How cool is that? Also, it dates back all the way to roughly around 3000 BC, so that gives you a little bit of an insight into the history behind Izmir. Nowadays, Izmir is hustle, bustle, it is highly developed, there's plenty going on, and there's a plenty of young people around this city. Students, businesses, it is a thriving place of commerce. All right, we made our way to the area in Izmir called Konak, which is apparently one of the main or mostly visited areas. And just here behind me, you can find the Konak Pier Shopping Center, which is basically a pier shopping center. It's self-explanatory, but there's basically a bunch of shops, coffee shops, etc. You can do a little bit of shopping in here. Konak itself looks absolutely beautiful. It's basically lined with palm trees and it's facing out onto the water as well. But we have a few different places that we came to Konak that we do want to tick off of our list. And that's where we're headed to next. There's apparently a bazaar that we can check out and a couple of other things, so let's go.
We made our way to Kislaragasi Hani, or Kislaragasi Inn, what it would be called in English. I know, very explanatory, but it is an Ottoman style building which is now hosting loads of hotels, shops, cafes and bars, and we want to check it out, especially for its architecture. So let's see what's going on inside. So the inside area of Kislaragasi Hani, seems to be dedicated a little bit more to jewelry and some sort of souvenirs, carpets as well. And then the outside area here of the bazaar, you will find everything in between: cafes, restaurants, dress shops or suit shops. It's a little bit like the Grand Bazaar, I would say. Like, that's the only thing I can compare it to at the moment, because obviously we have been in Istanbul not that long ago. So this kind of seems to be the Izmir version of the Grand Bazaar. In the Konak Meydani, so the central square of Izmir, where you find this absolutely epic clock tower that you can see here directly behind me, which has a very interesting history to it. So this clock tower was basically built from 1900 to 1901, and then it was destroyed twice because of an earthquake. And in 2016 somebody even stole the clock that you can see at the top here during a protest. But the entire tower underwent restoration in 2019, and it is in this epic state that you can see right here.
Check out the detail on this clock tower. It is just truly spectacular. I cannot imagine the hours that went into constructing this gem. Izmir is a fascinating city for plenty of reasons, and one of those reasons is you find a stark contrast between certain areas in Izmir. For example, where we started today's video in Alsancak, it's a very laid-back, chill, hipster type of a vibe, lots of young people. And then you come here to Konak and you'll find bustling, thousands of people shopping, tourists absolutely everywhere, and you have an unlimited choice and options for things to buy here. Just check this out. Hello.
As Luke already said, I totally agree. It seems like Izmir has something to offer for every single person, no matter what your needs are. If you are a little bit more of a relaxed type and you're into nature, you will find it in Izmir. If you're looking for some shopping experience or the hustle and bustle of the larger markets, you will also find it here. And everything is so nicely located at the ocean, so it's really beautiful here. We came to the Kulturpark, kind of in the center of Izmir from what it looks like on the map, and it's absolutely beautiful here. I genuinely cannot believe how many facilities. You hear the parrots? I genuinely cannot believe how many facilities there are here in Izmir for the citizens and tourists, obviously free to use. It's the same here in the park. For example, they have the Luna Park, which you can, there's no entry, obviously you have to pay for the rides, but the entire park here, they have this stunning running track, which you wouldn't necessarily see anywhere else. Like, I think this is the first time I see such a large park with facilities for people to work out for free outside. So what can be better than that? I love all of the cats so much. Look at him, he's so cute. Oh my god, what a purring machine. Look. Oh, what are you doing?
So cute.
I think this one is a keeper.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, you want to go and explore? This is a mad explorer as well, guys. He's one of the family.
He doesn't want to go and explore. I think he wants to stay with us. I think we should take him with us. Very clear keeper.
Turkey is a fascinating country. It's a country that lies in both Asia and Europe, inhabiting around 85 million people. The diversity of cultures, religions, cuisines, etc. It's truly a spectacle to behold. And we just, every time we visit a new city or a new town in this country, we're blown away, and Izmir has already done that for us. We love this city, and we definitely will have plenty more videos coming from Izmir here as well. I think it's fair to say we had a fantastic day exploring around Izmir, but we definitely missed out on a lot of things. We have a lot more of Izmir to see.
So many things to see. You cannot imagine how long our list is.
Yeah, but guys, for now, I hope you enjoyed the video. My name is Luke.
My name is Naomi.
We are the two Mad Explorers.
And this is your reminder to keep exploring.
See you guys in the next video.
Thanks for watching.
Ciao!